From tiny sprouts to mighty pods, a gnome's guide to pea-fection. 5 garden secrets that will help you grow more peas. Yo, sproutlings! Ever dream of building a pea-shooter fort so epic? It'd make Robin Hood jealous. Buckle up, buttercups, cause your friendly neighborhood garden gnome is here to spill the beans on growing pea-riffic peas in pots. Now, before we get our gnome hands dirty, let me introduce myself. I've seen it all. From sunflower skyscrapers to sumo-sized tomatoes, I got the dirt and compost tea on all things green and growing. So grab your gardening gloves, cause we're about to embark on a pea-tastic adventure. This video is like Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. For plant lovers, the time-lapse images make you feel like a plant-growing superhero. And the host is so funny. You'll be giggling like a gnome with ticklish toes. Plus, there's bonus content at the end, like a treasure trove of gardening goodies and tips that'll have you sprouting peas faster than you can say pods away. Here are the top 5 pea growing secrets I learned, all spun in a way that'll make your taste buds do the Macarena. Sprout your own pea plants? Skip those expensive, wimpy store-bought sprouts. Imagine the magic of watching those little green warriors erupt from the soil. It's like a teeny tiny plant-tastic show. Timing is key, my friends. Peas are like Goldilocks, not too hot, not too cold. Plant them in spring's cool embrace or fall's crisp air. Before Jack Frost comes knocking, think of it as a pea spa with the perfect temperature. Sue it like you mean it. Don't be shy. Sprinkle those seeds like confetti at a gnome disco. But remember, don't crowd them out. Give them space to spread their roots and reach for the pea vine sky. Feed the pea beasts, just like gnomes love their mushroom pizza. Peas need nutrients to grow big and strong, but forget boring old fertilizers. Think of it as giving your peas a banana peel power up. Use organic goodies like compost tea or fish emulsion to keep them energized and happy. Thin the herd, pea master. After a few weeks, your pea patch might be a little too crowded, so gently remove some of the smaller plants, giving the strongest ones more room to grow. Don't worry, you can compost the thinned out peas or even snack on them. They're like tiny bursts of pea-licious goodness. There you have it, my little sprouts. With these secrets and the help of that awesome YouTube video, you'll be harvesting pea pods so plump and juicy. You'll be the envy of the entire garden gnome community. Remember, gardening is all about having fun and getting your hands dirty. So, grab your seeds, get creative, and let your pea growing adventure begin. Don't forget to check out the video for even more tips and tricks. To see more of this growing a pea garden video, the link will be available in the description. Happy gardening!